Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the showing schedule feature in AeroIDX. This feature allows you to set your availability so leads can easily schedule tours for your listings. To get started, go to your settings, then advanced settings, and click on the showing schedule section. First, make sure to enable the feature. Next, you can define your weekly availability. For each day of the week, you can toggle availability on or off. Set your start and end times. For example, you can set your schedule from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday through Friday. These hours will be visible to potential buyers when they view your listings. If you have days when you're not available, you can use the block dates section. Simply select a date and optionally add a reason, like vacations or holidays. These blocked dates will override your regular schedule. This makes it easy for leads to plan visits and request tours based on your real schedule, helping you streamline communication and avoid back and forth. Now let's see how this looks from a buyer's perspective. I'll go into one of the listing detail pages where you can now see the new showing schedule section. From here, a lead can view your available days and time slots. Select a date that works for them, choose a time within your availability, and submit a request to schedule a tour. Once the request is submitted, the agent will receive an email notification with the tour request, making it easy to follow up and confirm the showing. That's it. With Showing Schedule, you can manage your availability and make it easier for buyers to connect with you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.